What's the meaning of capriciousness? Capriciousness. Capriciousness.
Capriciousness. Capriciousness. Capriciousness refers to the quality of being impulsive or unpredictable, often in a whimsical or erratic manner. This term is typically used to describe a person's behavior, decisions, or mood swings that change frequently and without warning. The result of capriciousness can be detrimental in personal and professional relationships, as it can create a sense of instability and distrust. People who exhibit capricious behavior may struggle to make commitments or stick to plans, which can lead to frustration and disappointment among those around them. Overall, capriciousness can make it difficult to maintain healthy and stable relationships with others.